Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Hi, if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join me in this wonderful journey of English learning. Hi there. So for today, our idiom is make up one's mind. Make up one's mind. Have you ever heard of this idiom before? It's pretty common. So let's find out what it means, okay? To make up one's mind means to make a decision. To make a decision, okay? This expression is usually used when someone can't make a decision yet. Not only does it mean to make a decision, it also implies to do it right away or soon. Let's look at some examples. We can't stand here all day. Make up your mind. That means, come on, decide now, right? Next, I just can't make up my mind. Can you help me? So that means I just can't make a decision right now, okay? All right, next. Both of them look great. She can't make up her mind. That means she can't make a decision what to choose. Okay? Finally, we'll eat all of them. We can't make up our minds. So that means kakainin na lang nila lahat because they can't make a decision what donut to choose. Okay? Super easy. Now, for grammar, for present, we use make or makes. So for make up their minds, make up our minds. And for he or she, he makes up his mind, she makes up his mind. So you put an S there for present. And for past, the past of make is made. She made up her mind, I made up my mind. Okay? And for question, did she make up her mind yet? Okay? All right. Now that you know what it means, I invite you to practice using the expression by writing your own sentence in the comments section. And I'll be sure to check it out and give you feedback. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching and see you next time. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.